Hello friends! MP5 Gel Ball Blaster. The gel ball launcher is a launcher toy that launches the fragile gel ball like a projectile. So when the water bomb is ejected, it will shatter immediately after encountering obstacles, breaking into fine powdery shards on impact. It is a safe toy gel ball launcher that will not cause harm to people or objects. It can shoot 3 drops of water per second with a range of 32 inches. Mini Toothpick Launcher. This crossbow-looking mini toothpick launcher is an original gift idea to give to children for their birthday. Airsoft M1 911 Glock. Designed to fit any semi-automatic handgun with a barrel length of 8 inches or less. It can also be installed on revolvers, airsoft and paintball guns. Comes with two 4.75 by 8 inches frame pieces, one 3.75 by 8 inches slider piece, and two 1 by 3.25 inches pieces of additional material. The Oculus Quest 2 controller's gun. VR gun stocks make VR shooting games much more immersive, physically demanding, and realistic. On top of that, they can drastically improve your aim and give you an advantage over your opponents, sharpen your sights like never before, and experience virtual reality in a new way. ArmoGear. Turn your home or backyard into a laser tag arena with the ArmoGear laser tag gun game. the most advanced laser game out there. No other laser tag set has real target vests, invisibility mode, night vision flashlights, voice-guided directions, and an extreme 45-meter fire range. The GoSports Foam Blaster. Set your sights on fun with foam fire blasters. Each set includes 2 foam launchers and 40 foam projectile balls.
The all-new Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster. It's the ultimate backyard battle toy with interactive targets that disarm the water when hit. Both targets are down, you win! Sharpen your skills with target practice anytime. Perfect for solo and team gameplay. Soak up the action with Nerf Super Soaker Robo Blaster.